Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to separate French coily braiding extension without tangling. Okay, so because most of the time when people want to separate this hair, it end up tangling. Okay, so to avoid tangling, okay, I'll be showing you how to separate it properly. Okay, the easiest way to go about it. Okay, so that you don't end up losing your hair or losing so many extension, or at the end of the day, the hair when you finish braiding it, it will not really look good. Okay, so this is the way. So first, you need to spray water. Okay, you spray water to it, then you use your hand to separate it. Okay, actually, this is going to take you time because this is not your normal braiding extensions. Okay, so you use your hand to work on it to separate it, starting from the tips. Okay, then you work your way to the top. All right, you can see I'm using my hand to separate it to make sure that when I'm going in there, I will not have any tangling. Okay, you can see, just go ahead to spray water anywhere you feel you are having difficulty trying to separate it. Spray some water, you will notice it will just separate easily. Okay, you can see I'm trying to use, you can see the way my hand walked through it from up to the down because I first separated the downside. You can see I'm just feeling some hold up there. Okay, I just have to spray some water, then go in with my hand. You can see, and when you do this, the coils will still bounce back. Okay, you don't feel that you are spreading water is going to tangle and all that. No, rather the water will help it to detangle, to help you to separate it easily. You can see the way it just came out without any tangling. You can see the first one I separated. I will go ahead to do that again so that you will see. Okay, you can see as you just keep trying to separate it, use your hands to work on it. Okay, you can see it came out very easily without any breach there, without any tangling. You can see how it's looking. And when you finish doing all this, you will see your hair will still be intact. Okay, so, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. I will be bringing to you guys everything about hair on this page: natural hair, straight hair, okay, how to take care of your hair, okay, any tricks, tips, all right, how to manage your hair and all that. You can see the ones I separated. Look at the way it's looking. You can see the bounce is still there and it's looking good. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.